So again, I'm gonna go from the darkest areas. So I'm gonna use this brownish gray, and you can see how much lighter it is than the paper. And I'm moving in the shadow areas here, but not, I'm not filling all of the paper with it. Then with this purplish kind of color, it's actually this one here. It's not even purplish, sorry. It's a lighter color, lighter brown. I'm going to add those lighter bits where I see them. On this side of the muzzle, the nose, and then here there's going to be a shadow, and the white is going to come from here. Again, looking at how the hair grows, I'm going to use the same one, the same color here at the bottom where there's the shadow from the muzzle on the white. So to cool it down a bit, I'm going to add this violet also into my whites. The eyebrow. Don't worry if you put too much of that color, you can still take it away. So I'm just adding a bit of this cool violet in between the areas of light and shadow. So we kind of merge the blacks and the whites together. And this cooler bluer, this is this color, the bluer one. We add those lights here. The nose. What we can do now is blend. So again, I'm moving in the direction of the fur growth and I'm blending. So the hair grows from the nose out. So it's growing upwards and outwards. Cleaning my hands. So this is the area of the nose where the hair kind of grows from. And I'm gonna add a bit of light here as I lost it. There we go. And this is the area in the shadow on the muzzle. So in this tutorial, we're kind of covering both blacks and whites in the fur. Gonna add this light blue here as we are catching, as the nose is catching light there from the window. And here it goes and wraps around the muzzle. I'm not going, as you noticed, I'm not adding those spots that she has yet. I need to lay my colors in first. And here where I went too far, gonna add the darkness back in, trying not to muddy it. There we go. So we're kind of correcting the shape. So with this gray that we have, my photo escaped. So with this gray that we used for our blacks, I'm going to add those kind of spots. And I'm not blending them out, just adding the spots. For now, I'm just going to keep them. So she has these spots around the nose and 2 spots here. And on this side where it's lighter, I'm just going to slightly blend them out. And here we have the mouth. Also, let's gently blend out these areas of the hair. Going to add this brown color and the highlights on this side, and just gently blending them out. So the further away we go from the focus center of our drawing, Actually, I prefer to call it painting. The more blurry it gets. Let's just add some of those hair growth lines. And here, I'm going to add this, this color here, the lighter color, just to outline that muzzle a bit, just so we show that line where her face is. There's the white under the chin there. Made it too light. I'm gonna add some darkness to it so that we show that it's white there. And now, not to lose the mouth, I'm going to add this lower jaw with gray. And a lighter area underneath. So we separate it from the cast shadow at the bottom. And we have this kind of lip, also lighter hairs on the lip. Darkening up this part where the mouth kind of meets the lips. So now we have to do that nose. I'm going to take my gray, going to do the shape of the nose, and I'm looking again at light and shadow. With this gray, light gray, I'm going to add this highlight on the nose. Actually, I can go even darker than this and create that shape of the nose. To blend it slightly. And with the black, I'm going to add those darker bits, so this side of the nose is going to be darker. As it curves towards the light, it's going to be lighter on the right side. And also this bit kind of goes in depth and is in the darkness. So for now, I'm quite happy with where we are. I'm just going to create those hair strokes. We lost a bit this spot over here. There's one more here. I'm just gonna bring those back. So every dog is going to have its own markings. It's not a precise science where you put them. Okay, now we can go to the eyes. Actually, I'm going to darken up a bit the area in here as I see it darker. There we go. Maybe even darker than that. Adding some purple in here. Just to bring out the darkness, I'm gonna add the light side here, so it's going to make that part darker.